Namaste. Today we are going to talk about Atharvashira Upanishad. This Upanishad has mentioned some facts which are very close to what modern science thinks or believes. Science doesn't believe, science just experiments and accepts. There are theories which are assumptions based on certain facts. So, Atharvashira Upanishad, it has 7 kandikas and it talks about characteristics of Shiva and Omkara, which is Pranava. We won't go into details of all these kandikas, but 2 of these are very important. One talks about Omkara or Pranava, which says that Omkara is omnipresent, it is omniscient, it is infinite, it is very subtle, it is very bright, it is electric. So these are the characteristics of Omkara or Pranava. Then in 6th Kandika they talked about there was a seed which cannot be destroyed. They call it Akshara, which cannot be destroyed. So from that, time starts. And because of that time, it becomes expansive, that seed, that Akshara. And when Rudra, which is also kind of someone who has characteristics of time, when Rudra sleeps, everything is destroyed. And when Rudra start breathing, meaning when Rudra wakes up, Tama, which is dark matter, that is created. From Tama, Apaha, which is liquid, that is created. From Apaha, when Apaha is created, Rudra kind of whips it, and because of that there is form created in that liquid, and from that form an egg type structure is created. That egg or that cosmic egg now gives birth to Brahma. From Brahma, all the air, they say air, but it's not air in our tongue. Air is created. From air, Omkara is created. From Omkara, Savitri, which is light, that is created. From Savitri, from light, what is Gayatri, which is sound, that is created. And from sound, all these systems, stars and planets have been created. So if we relate all this information to the modern science, what modern science says that it believes in Big Bang theory from some state of an egg type structure which was filled with all the subatomic particles in kind of a liquid form. Something happened, time started, and that enormous energy just kind of released and it started expanding, and that also generated cosmic microwave background, CMB, which I think started after 284,000 years of the Big Bang. So it started and it was in the form of light first. Why? Because that CMB was in the form of photons, and photons are visible light. And after that it became sound, and then it became such a way that it just is omnipresent. It's pervading all the empty spaces of the universe. It's more or less, its density varies, but at least it is present everywhere in the empty or vacuum space across the universe, and we call it microwave background. And it has some energy because it has temperature up to like 3 degree Kelvin. So this CMB, we can relate that to Omkara which is omnipresent. And that's what Atharvashira Upanishad says. Said first from that egg, dark matter was created, from dark matter, liquid was created, and Shiva kind of rotated it, so it generated a form which accelerated its expansion. That is also matching with the Big Bang theory. And then from that form, they say an egg was created. From egg, Brahma was created. From Brahma, air was created. And because of air, Omkara was created, which is CMB, the cosmic microwave background. And from CMB, light, it was in the form of light first, Savitri. Then it became Gayatri, which is in the form of sound. And from that sound, after all the energy was kind of released, the matter started forming, because the subatomic particles came together and some basic elements started forming. So all the stars from the hydrogen cloud and all the planets and all these various systems started coming into existence. So the big question is how the Rishi who kind of told this Atharvashira Upanishad knew about these facts. If we talk about the technology they have, this is quite remarkable. These are all questions which we don't know any answers for yet, but we'll keep asking these questions in the lights of modern science. That's it.